In today's video, I'm going to show you how to try Claude for free using the official website without needing a credit card. This is a quick and easy way to start using Claude on your browser, and I'll also show you where to get the mobile app on iPhone and Android. If you're interested in AI tools, productivity, or just want to test Claude for your own projects, this guide will help you get started in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the official Claude website at claude.ai. Make sure you're on the official site so you can sign up safely and avoid any fake pages or lookalike websites. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to create an account or sign in. Claude makes this process very easy, and you can get started using your email address, your Google account, or your Apple account. If you want the fastest option, choose the sign-up method that matches the account you already use every day. For example, if you already use Google for most of your logins, you can click Continue with Google. If you're on an iPhone or use Apple services, you can choose Continue with Apple. Or if you prefer to use your email directly, just enter your email and follow the verification steps. The best part is that you do not need to enter a credit card to begin. That means you can try Claude for free right away. After you complete the sign-up process, Claude will take you to the chat interface. This is where you can start asking questions, generating ideas, writing content, summarizing information, or testing how the AI responds to different prompts. You can type directly into the message box and begin chatting immediately. If you're new to AI tools, this is a great place to experiment and see what Claude can do. One of the most convenient things about Claude is that you can use it right in your browser without installing anything. So if you just want to test it quickly on a laptop or desktop computer, the web version is perfect. You can open a new conversation, ask follow-up questions, and continue the chat just like you would with any other modern AI assistant. If you want to use Claude on your phone, you can also download the Claude mobile app. On iPhone, go to the App Store and search for Claude. On Android, go to the Google Play Store and search for Claude as well. After installing the app, sign in with the same account you used on the website, and your chats will be available on mobile too. That makes it easy to continue working whether you're at your desk or on the go. If you're using Claude for the first time, here's a quick tip. Start with a simple prompt. Ask it to summarize an article, draft an email, brainstorm ideas, or explain a topic in plain English. Then, as you get more comfortable, you can try longer prompts and more detailed tasks. Claude is especially useful for writing help, research support, planning, and productivity workflows. So to recap, the process is very straightforward. Go to claude.ai, sign up with your email, Google or Apple account, and start chatting in your browser. No credit card is required to begin, and if you want mobile access, you can also download the app on iOS or Android. That's all it takes to try Claude for free. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.